Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of b divided by 3 times of b is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So we solved this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now the very first thing we are going to do is first we move the term 3b from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as the square root of b is equals to 3 multiplied by 3b. And further in the next step we have this is square root of b is equals to this is 3 times 3 becomes 9b. And now further in the next step we need to remove this square root sign. So for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as in this form. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b is equal to this is 9b whole square, and we know that the square of 9 becomes 9 square and the square of b becomes b square. So after that we have b is equals to 9 square becomes 81 times of b square, and further we move the term b from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes 81 times of b square minus b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve b, so that we will be take common b from here, and we get the remaining values are 81b minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 81b minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation which we get here in this method, and now from other roots we need to solve this equation, and we move minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get 81b is equals to plus 1. And for the values of b we divide both of the sides by 81 in order to remove 81 from here. This 81 and this 81 are gone, and we get here b is equals to 1 divided by 81. So this is the value of b which we get here in this method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of b be the solution, or is this value of b be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of b divided by b is equals to 3. Okay, so in this side we will be verify b is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 1 over 81. So here first we need to verify b is equals to 0. So for this we just substitute b is equals to 0 into the given question statement, and it will be written as square root of 0 divided by 3 times of 0 is equals to 3. And when we put this value here it will become square root of 1 over 81 divided by 3 times of 1 over 81 is equals to 3. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have this will be written as 0 over 0 form is equals to 3. So in the left hand side we have 0 over 0 form, or we will be called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value b is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we will call that b is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy, and now we need to simplify the second values, and here we have the square root of 1 becomes 1 and square root of 81 becomes 9. So this is 3 times 27 becomes 81, and we have 1 over 27 is equals to 3 or not. Further in the next step we have this is 1 over 9 multiplied by 27 divided by 1 is equals to 3. This is 9 times 3 becomes 27, and we get here 3 is equals to 3. This shows that the value b is equals to 1 over 81 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is 1 over 81, which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for a second method. So for a second method we need to copy down given question statement here. And the given question statement is square root of b divided by 3 times of b is equals to 3. So in the second method, we just our second method with a very straightforward or quick method, and here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. Here we focus into the denominator term. This is b, we write it as square root of b times square root of b. We know that square root of b multiplies square root of b becomes b, and this is equals to 3. So in the next step, we have, you see here, this square root of b and this square root of b are gone, and we get here 1 divided by 3 times of square root of b is equals to 3. And in the next step, we move the term 3 times of square root of b to the right hand side, and we get 3 times 3 becomes 9 times of square root of b. And for the values of b, we take squaring on both of the sides in this form. So 1 square becomes 1, 9 square becomes 81, the square of square root of b becomes b. And further in the next step, we for the values of b, we divide both of the sides by 81. This and this are gone, and we easily get the value of b is equals to 1 over 81. This shows that the value b is equals to 1 over 81 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally, we have the solution set of this problem is 1 over 81. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.